Hey everyone, Jeffrey here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into Motorola's latest budget contender, the Moto G05. This phone promises to deliver a solid experience without emptying your wallet. But does it live up to the hype? Stick around as we unpack everything you need to know. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you never miss out on the latest tech reviews.
Alright, let's get started.
First, let's talk about the design. The Moto G05 greets you with a design that's both practical and surprisingly stylish for its price point. It features a silicone polymer eco-leather back with a subtle matte finish that not only feels good in the hand, but also resists fingerprints and smudges, a big win for a budget device. The phone comes in two eye-catching colors, a forest green and plum red. The one I have here is the forest green variant, and it's definitely a head-turner. The phone feels lightweight yet sturdy thanks to its reinforced plastic frame. On the right side, you'll find the volume rocker and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner embedded in the power button, a feature that's becoming increasingly rare in this price range. At the bottom, there's a USB-C port, a microphone, and a speaker grill, while the top houses the 3.5mm headphone jack. The SIM tray on the left supports dual SIMs and a microSD card, which is always a nice touch. Overall, the Moto G05 feels well-built and durable, making it a great option for those who want a reliable device without splurging on premium materials. Moving on to the display, the Moto G05 sports a 6.67-inch HD plus IPS LCD with a resolution of 720 by 1604 pixels. While it's not the sharpest display out there, it's more than adequate for everyday tasks like browsing, streaming, and casual gaming. Colors are decently vibrant, and the brightness is sufficient for indoor use, though it does struggle a bit under direct sunlight. One standout feature is the 90Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling and animations feel noticeably smoother compared to standard 60Hz displays in this price range. It's not as fluid as a 120Hz panel, but it's a welcome addition that enhances the overall user experience. The display is protected by Gorilla Glass 3, which adds a layer of durability against scratches and minor drops. For media consumption and casual gaming, the Moto G05's display gets the job done without any major complaints. Under the hood, the Moto G05 is powered by the Mediatek Helio G81 Extreme, a 12nm chipset paired with 4GB of RAM plus 12GB RAM boost and 256GB of internal storage, expandable via micro SD. This setup is designed for light to moderate usage, and it handles everyday tasks like browsing, social media, and streaming without breaking a sweat. However, it does show its limitations when it comes to heavy multitasking or graphics-intensive gaming. During my gaming test, the Moto G05 delivered a decent performance with titles like Asphalt Legends Unite running smoothly on medium settings. However, more demanding games like Genshin Impact or PUBG will require you to dial down the settings for a playable experience. For casual gamers though, the Moto G05 strikes a fair balance. On the software front, the Moto G05 runs near stock Android 15 with Motorola's subtle customizations. The interface is clean, intuitive, and free of bloatware, which is a huge plus for budget devices. Motorola has also promised security updates, though major Android upgrades might be limited. For users who prefer a simple and straightforward software experience, the Moto G05 delivers. Now let's talk cameras. The Moto G05 features a single camera setup on the back, headlined by a 50-megapixel primary sensor, and this one is just the aesthetics to look like dual camera. In good lighting conditions, the camera captures detailed and vibrant photos with accurate colors. On the front, the 8-megapixel selfie camera takes decent shots for social media, though it's not the best in low light. For video, the Moto G05 can record up to 1080p at 30 frames per second, and the footage is clear for casual use, though it's a bit shaky because of no optical image stabilization. Overall, the camera setup is solid for the price, though it's not going to replace a flagship anytime soon. One of the Moto G05's strongest features is its 5200 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day with moderate usage and often stretches into the second day. This makes it a great option for users who need a reliable device for long hours. Charging is handled by an 18-watt charger, which is a bit slow by today's standards, but given the battery size, it's a fair trade-off. The phone also features a stereo speaker, which gets loud enough for casual media consumption but lacks depth. Thankfully, the 3.5mm headphone jack is still here for those who prefer wired audio. Other extras include FM radio support and IP54 dust and splash resistance, which adds a bit of durability against splashes and light rain. So here's my final verdict. The Moto G05 is a solid budget smartphone that delivers where it matters most. It offers a durable design, a smooth 90Hz display, decent cameras, and excellent battery life, all at an affordable price. It's not without its limitations. Performance is modest and the charging speed is slow, but for its price of 399 dirhams here in Dubai, it's hard to complain. This phone is perfect for first-time smartphone users, students, or anyone looking for a reliable secondary device. If you're on a tight budget and don't need cutting-edge performance, the Moto G05 is a great choice that won't disappoint. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Moto G05. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!